The following demonstration uses fictional Agency of Defense Technology, ADT, to walk through a typical organizational scenario. Oliver has been an ADT analyst for 20 years. His current position requires that he log into 5 physically separated, secure networks each day. In the past, Oliver struggled to manage the multiple workstations, continually moving from network to network and desktop to desktop. Collaborating and sharing information between networks and coalition partners, a vital part of his job, was ineffective. The volume of information and the manual means for moving that information from one network to another restricted collaboration between Oliver and the ground troops he needed to get information to. Short timelines often required Oliver to include limited data, leaving out details that could be vital to the troops. For example, he couldn't just cut and copy information such as latitudes and longitudes from one network to another. Transposing those numbers was not uncommon, and a simple mistake could mean the failure of a mission and even lost lives. Oliver's work area was also very expensive to maintain. Administrators had to constantly work on the complex infrastructure to give him access as he switched desktops. Workstations had to be replaced every 3 years, expensive cooling systems maintained, and large amounts of office space and power were required. In one instance, Oliver needed to immediately get information from a Predator feed to ground troops. This meant sending it from a high-side network to the troops on a lower-side network. In order to transfer the feed, Oliver had to hand-carry a written request that included multiple signatures. It could have taken hours to receive approval. Once approval was received, Oliver would then have to physically copy the information to a portable device, such as a USB, and then transfer it to a system administrator to copy the data to the low-side network. This process of manually transferring information often forced Oliver to face the difficult decision of going around the security process and transferring the information without the proper approval, or following the process, which could cause the mission to fail because ground troops did not receive the information in time. Fortunately, Oliver doesn't face that sort of decision anymore. Last year, ADT deployed Trusted Thin Client and Trusted Gateway System from Raytheon Trusted Computer Solutions. Now, Oliver comes into a streamlined office with a thin client device, one monitor, keyboard and mouse. TTC allows Oliver to simultaneously access multiple secured networks at different classification and sensitivity levels from a single monitor. Each network is accessible via a separate window, and Oliver can easily move from one network to another, while still accessing his email, chat, printing, and high-end graphics. Trusted Gateway System provides Oliver a quick and easy two-way data transfer, low to high and high to low, across multiple security domains. TGS also provides a deep content scan to ensure secure data transfer, rather than hosting applications and data on Oliver's desktop. Thin client hardware and TTC software enable storage and processing on servers in the data center. The total economic impact of including cross-domain components like TTC and TGS includes shorter deployment time, ease of replacement, lower administrative overhead, reduced software cost, significantly less power consumption, quicker desktop recovery time, and decreased carbon footprint. Running cross-domain solutions at ADT adds to these benefits, as a secure operating system mitigates the likelihood of advanced persistent threat infiltration and prevents data leakage. With server and desktop consolidation, ADT gained better control of the infrastructure. This not only includes better control of the user data and applications, but better security controls and configuration management by keeping a consistent and patched user environment. Using TGS increases the efficiency of collaboration and enhances information sharing among multiple networks and levels of security in near real time. Oliver is able to securely, quickly and efficiently get information to ground troops, no matter which network the information is coming from or going to. As the global leader in cross-domain solutions, Raytheon Trusted Computer Solutions has a proven track record of proactively enabling US and international governments, Five Eyes nations, NATO and commercial organizations to securely access and transfer information at various sensitivity levels, which in turn ensures that the right information gets to the right people at the right time. All RTCS solutions are backed by a professional services team consisting of nationally and internationally recognized experts in security policy, architecture, planning and implementation.